India signs Rupee 32,000 crore deal with the US to purchase 31 Predator drones. In a significant move to bolster its defense capabilities, India has signed a Rupee 32,000 crore deal with the United States to acquire 31 advanced Predator drones. This deal marks a major step in enhancing India's surveillance, intelligence, and precision strike capabilities, particularly across its vast maritime borders and sensitive land boundaries. The drones, designed and developed by General Atomics, will be deployed across the Indian Army, Navy, and Air Force. These highly sophisticated unmanned aerial vehicles UAVs will provide India with enhanced long-range surveillance, intelligence gathering, and offensive capabilities. What are Predator drones? Predator drones, also known as MQ-9 Reaper drones, are long-endurance, high-altitude UAVs equipped with state-of-the-art technology for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance ISI, and precision strike operations. Developed by General Atomics, these drones are known for their stealth features, endurance, and versatility, making them a vital asset in modern warfare. The Sea Guardian variant of the Predator drone, which India will receive, is optimized for maritime surveillance, providing unmatched capabilities for monitoring and securing coastal regions. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, sensors, and radar systems, the Predator drones can stay airborne for up to 27 hours, covering vast areas and providing real-time intelligence to military forces. Additionally, these drones are capable of precision strikes using weapons like Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs, making them effective not only for surveillance, but also for eliminating high-value targets with minimal collateral damage. The U.S. history with Predator drones. The U.S. has extensively used Predator drones for military operations since the 1990s. These drones first saw action in the Balkans conflict, where they were primarily used for surveillance. However, their role expanded during the Afghanistan and Iraq wars following 9/11, where they became a critical tool in counterterrorism efforts. One of the most notable successes of Predator drones was the targeted killing of high-value terrorists, such as Al-Qaeda leader Ammar al-Awlaki in Yemen in 2011 and Taliban leader Akhtar Mansour in 2016. The drones were also used to enforce no-fly zones and conduct surveillance operations in Libya and Syria. While they are highly praised for their precision, the use of Predator drones has also sparked ethical debates over civilian casualties and the nature of remote warfare. Why is India interested in Predator drones? India's decision to purchase Predator drones is driven by several strategic considerations. Firstly, with growing security concerns in the Indian Ocean and increasing Chinese activity in the region, India is looking to significantly enhance its maritime surveillance capabilities. The Sea Guardian drones are tailor-made for this purpose, as they are capable of monitoring maritime traffic, detecting hostile ships and submarines, and providing real-time intelligence on potential threats. This is especially crucial given China's string-of-pearl strategy, which involves building naval facilities in the Indian Ocean region. Secondly, India faces continuous challenges along its land borders with Pakistan and China. The ability to monitor activities along the line of control LOC with Pakistan and the line of actual control LAC with China is essential to maintaining security. The long-range ISR capabilities of Predator drones will enable India to keep a close watch on any suspicious activity or movements along these borders. Moreover, Predator drones will play a crucial role in counterterrorism efforts. With their ability to conduct surgical strikes, they can target terrorist camps or hideouts with precision, reducing the risk to Indian personnel. This is particularly important in regions like Jammu and Kashmir, where cross-border terrorism remains a persistent threat. This acquisition is also part of India's broader defense modernization efforts, aimed at equipping its military with the latest technology. While India is developing its own drones, such as the Rustam series by the DRDO Defense Research and Development Organization, the Predator drones provide a significant technological leap, allowing India to close the capability gap with its adversaries. Strengthening India-U.S. defense ties. The deal also underscores a growing strategic partnership between India and the U.S., particularly in the context of defense cooperation. This purchase comes after discussions between Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and U.S. President Joe Biden during the Quad Leaders Summit in Delaware. The acquisition of Predator drones signals closer military collaboration between the two countries, especially as part of the broader Indo-Pacific strategy aimed at countering China's assertiveness in the region. As India continues to enhance its defense capabilities, the Rupee 32,000 crore Predator drone deal is a clear demonstration of its commitment to securing its borders, safeguarding its maritime interests, and modernizing its military to meet future challenges. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe.